YouTubers, this is Len Vic coming at you with another quick video, and today we got the Ryobi 18-volt quarter-inch impact driver. It's a pretty cool gun. It has a solid body. It has this pretty neat little feature which you can store your fasteners here. It's magnetized on the surface here. This is pretty cool. It produces 1,500 foot-pounds of torque and 33 IPM, impacts per minute. The only issue I find with it doesn't have a light, so in dark places you're gonna need an extra light. It weighs a little over 3 pounds with the battery, and yeah, it's pretty cool, and it feels really good in the hand. Okay, so let's see what it can do. We're gonna drive some train screws in this one here. Let's try this. Not bad. Okay, let's try some 2.5-inch lags. We're gonna try a 1-inch spade bit. See how it does. Bad. Okay. Slipping on my little socket here. But anyway, this is not bad at all. This is a pretty cool gun. Because again, it's pretty simple. It's nothing to it, you know. Not as bad at all. Ryobi. But anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And comment and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.